Today, T takes on the process of getting a pool installed. Before we get started, I want to share with you that the videos you're actually going to see are actually about a year old. I originally thought I lost the footage, but I was able to recover them. So sit back, relax, and if you make it all the way to the end, you'll see what the pool looks like today. Alright, here we go. Here's part one of T takes on getting a pool installed. So here is the outline of the whole pool. There's actually the deep end. This spot right here is a little seat later on. Walk to the shallow end over here. It's about going to be 3.5 feet. This spot over here is like a little step down, about 18 inches, so you could sit down and get wet. And over here is going to be an arch, like a circular spot for a fire pit to go here in the middle. There'll be a water shear that goes in. So yeah, this is the beginning process. We'll cement this all off, cement that whole side over here. We're going to extend, actually the markings here, the white of where the water line's going to be, but we decided to extend it all the way over here. So that's an extra 5 feet. I'll keep you guys posted on the progress, but today is excavation day. Excited for it to all begin. Alright, here we go. Here is end of excavation day 1 for the pool. So, man, they did quite a lot of work in one day. They'll be finishing it up tomorrow. You can see the whole frame all they're going around. Over here in the white is going to be the fire pit. We can get the natural gas hooked up to it. No more propane tanks. Right here is the 18-inch step down, the entrance into the pool. Right over here, where that big mound of dirt, they'll get that out of there, but that will be the shallow end. Coming up across here, we'll be going to the deep end. I believe it's going to be 7.5 feet. If we go over here, see how much space there is between the pool and the fence line. I'm glad we extended it. It's gonna look pretty good. Have this pathway going down, and the guy in the Bobcat, man, well-skilled worker. I'll show you over here. Did a great job. Lots of skill coming in between the AC and the fence. Yeah, knocked the fence a couple times, but you know what? That is a tight space. So, yeah. End of day 1. I'll be back with day 2. Alright, here's the end of day 2 of excavation. We'll start here on the shallow end. There's the little 18-inch step. 3 feet for the shallow end. You can see it goes down there to 7 feet on the bottom here. It's finally coming together. Next is, I believe, trenching and then rebar. I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, here we go. Here is day 3 of week 1. Things are getting piped and trenched up. So, I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking at, other than I think this is where my water pump is going to be. So, got that big old behemoth, got a big old trench over here, going all the way through, a trench over here. So, yeah, keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. All right, and here is the end of the first week. They worked 4 out of the 5 days. This week working on the pool, 2 days for excavation, and then 2 days for trenching and plumbing. So here's everything so far. Going through, got the trench over here, terminating right over here, gas, electric, water for eventually when I decide to make this at my outdoor kitchen, I can tap into those lines over there. So if we come across over here, we have the trench for all they come on over here. It looks like they hooked up the water going to the pool over here already, and the gas line to the fire pit. And it's all the way attached going across over here. Oh, falling in. Over here is where my pump will be. And this all comes all the way down over here to the service panel. Alright, stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, here's the end of day 5. Looks like the rebar is all in. Pool's really starting to take its shape. And let's take a little walk around. Things are looking pretty good. Cut over here. It's just kind of interesting to see this whole process going through. I have the little, I don't know what you call those, little cement standoffs for the rebar going around here. Looks like they have the arch over here for the fire pit all done up too. So getting exciting. So they finished the rebar today. Tomorrow's the inspection. And then I think after that is Gunite. So stay tuned, and I'll keep sharing the progress. All right, see you in the next one. All right, it is a Saturday morning. Here is the current status of the pool. We've passed the city inspection, but unfortunately, every time we've decided to try to schedule the Gunite, we've had some inclement weather. So we're about 2 weeks behind. Actually, not 2 weeks behind, more like we're back on time because we are originally, the company's was 2 weeks ahead. So we're back on schedule. The only problem is now is that we come around over here and the sprinkler system, something I really didn't think about until talking to my gardener, saying that, well, I really don't have much of a pool, much of a yard anymore. So he recommended that I just take this whole thing out. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to work that, cut this out, cap off right there. Actually, I'll see, maybe we could do a direct line from the pool straight into the spout over here. So here we go. All right, sprinkler system is out. Took about maybe half an hour to cut out everything, dig it out. Now, I'm gonna head to the big box store and buy some PVC cement, and we're gonna cut that thing out and attach a direct line straight into the spout there. All right, and here we go. Took out the whole sprinkler system over here. Now we just have a direct line from the spigot all the way down here, run straight into the pool. All right, now on Monday, what they're gonna do is gonna actually finally pour in the Gunite and then get everything else done. Cool. All right, today's Monday. It's Gunite day. Trucks are pulling up over here, and geese are flying. 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, let's get this party started. All right, here we go. Gunite finally going in. All right, looks like the cement's going in there into the hopper. But I think it's all just air. I don't know. Pretty cool. All right, here we go. It's Monday afternoon, and Gunite is done. The pool is finally starting to take its shape, and it's getting pretty exciting. It's pretty cool. Let's come over here. We've got the steps coming down right here. Here's a little shallow, super shallow spot over here. Just wade, put a nice umbrella down in there. I've got the shallow end, 3 feet over there. And over here is the fire pit. So for about a week, twice a day, I'm gonna have to spray this down so it doesn't dry too quickly. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Come over here. Well, I can see my little seat here in the deep end. Looks pretty good. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, it's 5 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, the following day after getting the Gunite poured or shot. I don't know. You see, I've got my work light out here. One thing we need to do is twice a day, in the morning and evening, we got to spray down the Gunite so it doesn't dry too quickly and crack. Got to do this for a whole week. So, I've got my little nozzle here and let's just start spraying. Alright, here we go. Here is the end of getting cement done, and deck is poured. Things look really nice. Everything's all graded and it's really taking its shape now and everything. So I'm coming around here. Yeah, I know there's still some trash and debris in there on the bottom. I'm sure they'll clean that up, no problem. But we decided to extend the deck all the way out to the corner over here. Originally it was only supposed to end over there, but man, I think it's kind of nice to have a walkway to all the way to the street now. So it's coming along, looking good. I'll keep you guys posted in the next one. All right, here's a little update. It's been a little bit, but have all the pump stuff taken care of. Got our big old electrical thing, control box. I'm not sure what that is quite yet. Have this bulb thing, and I know that this is our water heater, so it's coming along. All right, catch you in the next one. All right, it is Saturday morning, and yesterday they came over and poured in all the, well, sprayed on the Pebbletec. So it's looking pretty good. On Monday, they're going to come and acid wash, and we'll start filling up the pool. But today, I have to start taking care of this stuff over here. I think I'm going to rent a tiller, break this stuff down, and get some sod and get to work. We'll put some Bermuda right in here, make it look all nice and good. And hopefully by the time this is done, this will be done. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. All right, here they are, acid washing the pool. All right, here we go. It's Monday afternoon. Acid wash is done, and we have water. So it's gonna be filling for the next 2 days, and then on Wednesday, they're gonna turn on the pumps, put in some chemicals, and let that run for 3 days. And hopefully by Friday, we can be in. Over here, we have the fire pit. Some things could be completed, and hopefully that'll be done by the end of this week. All right, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. All right, it is Monday evening. Water's been going on for several hours now, and the water finally made its way up to the shallow end, and hopefully tomorrow it'll be full. All right, catch you in the next one. All right, it is Tuesday morning, and we have water. I put a tape mark over there on the corner to see how high the water needs to go. The water is supposed to be about halfway through the tile. So all I have to do next is lay out sod way over there. All right, catch you in the next one. All right, here we go. Got a nice pallet of Bermuda grass sod here. Let's get it installed. All right, we have the sod installed. Looking pretty good. Have it all the way over here, down the long side of the pool. And right here, where the dirt area is, we're gonna add some planters later on, but pretty happy so far. I use my wife's cart to help move all the sod, so I don't have a wheelbarrow. But yeah, pool is almost complete. All right, catch ya.
Many months later.
All right, here's an update on the pool 1 year later. As you can see, we got a bunch of new furniture. Got some picnic tables, patio set, lots of umbrellas because we don't have trees here in the yard at all. It's all relying on the neighbors' trees over there and over here. But yeah, it's still a great space to entertain. One thing we did add was the shed over here, keep all the garden equipment in, and in order to do so, we had to add this whole strip of cement over here. We got rid of the grass. Speaking of the grass, that's one thing I didn't do a very good job of this past year. Just keeping up with it. I got some dry spots over here and over here. Well, I'll have to reseed and take care of that. But yeah, pretty happy with everything so far. I'll be back later tonight and show you what the pool looks like at night. And here's what the pool looks like at night. Turned off the waterfall for now, and we got the fire pit going on. The lights are on here in the pool. We can change them to any color we want. It's pretty nice hanging out over here in the patio area. We have a lot of times we'll pull out some marshmallows and some skewers, make some s'mores, and then just we'll hang out right over here. And things that really make a difference are the backyard lights, the string lights that we added to around the whole place. Really lights it up, makes it look great. It's just a lot of fun hanging out here. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next Tea Takes On.